Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Check it out. It's the most durable car I believe ever built. It is the Toyota Corolla, and I can't remember the generation. I think it ended in 98, 99. But man, these things were just great, solid little performers. This one here, little body damage on it. Front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, and just an overall decent little ride. Let's see how many miles. 265,000 miles before this one hit the junkyard, and I guarantee it probably could have gone a lot farther with some additional TLC. Little 3-speed automatics usually found in these cars, although stick shifts were still quite popular in the day. This one here, nice firm cloth bucket seats, and you can see 265,000 miles on it. It has like a little bit of wear there, and that's about it. Testament to the build quality of Toyotas. This one is a fancier model. Did have power locks and power windows, which was very unusual for the early Corollas. And I think this was like one of the starter Corollas. This was probably early on. Yeah, 1993 model Corolla. Little 4 doors. Did have enough room in the rear for stuff to happen. And just a basic design here, but let me go. This is an LE, so luxury edition. And that's a nice sized trunk. It also did come with a pass-through. Now, I've seen these things with hitches on them. In fact, holy cow. It's got a trailer hitch on this one. It may have been taken off, but at some point this thing was used to haul. Yeah, look at that. It's got a little hitch. Yeah, these things were, so 265,000 miles. It was used to tow, and it made it here rust-free and in pretty darn good shape. Probably the transmission failed, maybe the engine. Let's take a look at that engine. And you don't see these on the road as much, but they didn't die because they were garbage. They died because they got passed down from family member to family member. Can I get this open? There we go. They got passed down from family member to family member, and eventually somebody just decided they weren't going to take as good care of it. Heck, it looks like this engine may have been replaced. Got some writing on there. And there's the info on that. Nice little fuel-injected cars. Average 30 to 35 miles to the gallon. Pretty good little car overall. And look at that one, even had an aftermarket alarm system attached to it, so pretty nice. Toyota still makes decent cars, but they don't build them like this anymore, and I think they do that on purpose. Cars like this just literally could run forever, and car manufacturers can't sell cars if no one ever needs to buy a new one. Till next time, my friends, take care.